I'm Tim Landis, and I am a landscape and lifestyle photographer. This is my wife Stacy, my two daughters Mackenzie and Amara, and my son Madden. This trip to Turkey is our first international adventure as a family. Being able to capture a single moment in time is thrilling to me. Go. Nice, Amara. And taking photos of my family reacting to all these experiences is remarkable.
This is delicious. Really good.
298 meters from the ground.
Is it weird that my ears are popping? Whoa, this is so scary.
Knowing that I'm documenting moments that help shape my kids' perspectives on life is one of the coolest things about this trip. This feels amazing.
It does.
Can you turn a little bit? Turn your head. The culture, community, and vibrant energy here in Turkey embodies all the reasons why I love to travel.
This ice cream is so good. Oh, I want to go in this canyon. It's so pretty. Oh, I got it. Oh, did I get him? I don't know if I did. Stingray. Don't forget your sunscreen. Go! Sea urchin! Sea urchin! Oh, the fish! Fishy!
Being on this trip as a family has given us an even stronger bond than we already had, and the photos will carry the memories forward forever.